Alright, it's 2025 and AI website builders are everywhere now. But is Hostinger still one of the best options, especially for beginners? I've been testing it and honestly some scenes really surprise me. So in this video I will walk you through building a simple site from scratch, highlight the coolest AI features Hostinger offers, break down the pricing and share a side-by-side comparison with other popular AI website builders. So let's get started. Most of you might be skeptical about Hostinger's website builder since the company is mostly known for hosting and domain name services. But trust me guys, I've tested a bunch of these AI website builders and Hostinger isn't just good, it might actually be one of the best options, especially for beginners. So first let's build a simple website using AI and then we will dive into pricing comparisons and what types of sites this AI website builder works best for. So after you create a new account, you will be redirected to this user panel, and from there you can click on websites to create a new website from scratch or migrate an existing one. I want to build a completely new website, so I'm clicking here and choosing Hostinger website builder. Then I enter my brand name and using this prompt, so it will be a coffee shop website with a separate blog page. We just wait a few seconds and here is a quick preview of our website. It's not bad at all, definitely not amazing yet, but you can customize the color palette right here. And don't worry, you can always change it later. Clicking to go further, and here is our website in edit mode. Even though I'm using the free version, you can customize almost everything. Every letter, every button, font styles, colors, and even SEO for all of your pages. And most of the edits to your website can be done using the built-in AI tools. But let's talk about integrated AI tools first. You can edit short text manually, but for longer paragraphs you can use the AI writer. It's really convenient, you don't need to keep switching between ChatGPT and your website all the time. Then we have this AI image generator here, but I don't recommend generating images here and wasting your credits. Instead you can just use stock photos or any free AI image generator and then upload those images to Hostinger. The next AI tool is the page generator. Maybe you forgot to add some pages at the start, or you've been running your site for a year and want to expand it with a few extra pages. So you can just describe what you want and the AI will create it for you. It's really as simple as that. Next up is the AI blog generator. You can manage your blog right from this tab, and when you want to create new articles, just use this AI tool. Simply tell it what your article should be about, set the word count here, and it will generate content like this for you. Now let's talk about the AI product details generator. This one is mainly for e-commerce websites. And yes, with Hostinger you can build e-commerce stores too. If you have lots of products and you don't want to spend hours writing descriptions for each, this AI tool will do it for you, saving you a ton of time. Our current website isn't an e-commerce website, but honestly it's all pretty straightforward here. And last but not least, the AI SEO assistant that helps you generate SEO titles, meta descriptions and keywords for your pages. Guys, I've tested all these AI tools and I want to say all of them are super accurate, except for this AI image generator. But as I mentioned, you should use stock photos or videos or third-party free AI image generators, just because you will save a lot of credits. And a quick reminder, everything I showed you already is available on the free plan. And what about pricing? I would say it's really affordable. Here you can see the prices for the premium and business website builder plans, and the longer your subscription, the cheaper it gets. Paying month to month can cost you up to 5 times more than an annual plan. So think about what plan will be better for you. And on top of the discount Hostinger offers to us, you can also use my code Andrew10 for an extra 10% off. The link in the discount code you can find in the description below. And like I promised, here is the pricing comparison of the most popular AI website builders today. Feel free to screenshot these, it's all done manually so you won't find it anywhere else. Now let's deploy our website. You can always preview it first to make sure everything looks good. Then just hit the Go Live button. Also, I noticed Hostinger recently teamed up with Google Ads. So when you spend your first 500 on ads, they will give you an extra 500 in ad credits. And that's a great bonus if you are planning to promote your products with paid ads. So what is my opinion on Hostinger website builder? It's definitely good for beginners. It's much cheaper than most AI website builders today, but is it good for complex websites? Not yet. It's mostly good for simple websites, marketing landing pages, blogs, or for not complex e-commerce websites. But if you need complex websites with lots of animations, custom features or backend logic, Hostinger recently launched Hostinger Horizons. It's an AI-powered coding tool designed to help developers and advanced users speed up website development by generating code snippets, templates, and even entire website sections based on your input. So instead of writing everything from scratch, you can leverage AI assistants to build interactive elements, complex layouts, or connect APIs much faster. Alright guys, I hope you liked today's video. And if you want to create beautiful images or artwork with AI, I highly recommend checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a video about AI tools that will save you a ton of time. Hit the like button for YouTube algorithm, it helps me a lot, and see you in the next videos.